Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And this is Cooking with George, and it's absolutely nuts in here. It's 85 in my living room. Tomorrow will be 88. Well, this is part 2 of the Cooking with George with the steak and the beef stew meat and the cauliflower and carrots and broccoli and potatoes, and it was kind of bland. So I think now what I have to do is cook the beef first. And so I threw in a can of canned tomatoes and tomato sauce, and it doesn't taste bad. So this is part 2. I'm going to sit down and eat some and then watch some YouTube because it's too hot in here to do anything else. So I hope you're cooler than where I am, and of course I only have 2 things to improve the flavor, and being the guy from Pittsburgh, I have, where is it? That's not a good one. I have lots of Heinz tomato ketchup. They do make Heinz yellow mustard. I have that too. So, loyal to the brand all my life. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay cool, stay wet, stay dry, stay comfortable, and watch the skillet. And remember, you can join the channel for $3.99 or $6.99 a month, where you see content nowhere else. Kathy called, and she'll be coming here on Monday. Bye-bye for now. Have a great evening.